You've been told investing is only for the rich or the financial experts. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need millions to start. And you definitely don't need to understand complex charts. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to invest your money with zero experience and avoid the costly traps that destroy most beginners. Think about this for a second. If you saved $1 a day, you'd have $365 in a year. But if you invested that same dollar wisely, it could grow into thousands over the next decade. The difference isn't how much money you start with, it's whether you start investing at all. So let's break down the 7 steps that will change your financial future. But first, let me tell you about the biggest mistake I see. Step 1. Fix your investor mindset. Most people think they need to time the market perfectly, or pick the next Tesla. Dead wrong. Here's what billionaire investors actually do. They think long-term, they start small, and they stay consistent. Your practical step right now? Write down one specific goal, not get rich. Something like, I want $10,000 saved in 5 years. That single action shifts your brain from spending mode to wealth-building mode. And trust me, you'll feel the difference immediately. But before you invest a single dollar, you need to build this safety net. Step 2. Build your emergency fund first. If your car breaks down or you lose your job, you don't want to panic and pull money out of investments at the worst possible time. Here's the rule. Save 3 to 6 months of basic expenses in cash. Not invested, just sitting in a savings account. Start small. Even $50 a month builds this cushion. Use a high-yield savings account like Ally or Marcus to earn a little interest while you build it. Once you have this safety net, you can invest with confidence instead of fear. Step 3. Let technology do the heavy lifting. Most beginners get paralyzed by choice. Should I buy Apple, Tesla, Bitcoin? Here's the secret. You don't need to choose. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront ask you a few simple questions about your goals and risk tolerance, then automatically build you a diversified portfolio. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. You can start with just $100 and it handles everything. Buying, selling, rebalancing. But here's what most people don't understand about diversification. Warren Buffett has one investment recommendation for 99% of people. Step 4. Understand index funds. Buffett says index funds are the best investment for most people. Here's why he's right. Instead of betting on one company, you own tiny pieces of hundreds. The S&P 500 includes Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, the biggest companies in America. Over the last 30 years, it's averaged about 10% annual returns. That means your money doubles roughly every 7 years. Open an account with Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Search S&P 500 Index Fund. These companies offer them with almost zero fees. Step 5. Automate everything. The hardest part of investing isn't picking stocks, it's staying disciplined. Automation removes emotion and human error. Decide on a fixed amount. Could be $50, $200, or $500. Set it to automatically transfer from your checking account to your investment account every payday. This is called dollar cost averaging. You buy more shares when prices are low, fewer when they're high. It smooths out market volatility automatically. Now what if you can't afford whole shares of expensive stocks? Here's how to buy Amazon stock with just $5. Step 6. Use fractional shares to start small. You don't need $3,000 to buy Amazon stock anymore. Fractional shares let you buy a slice of any company with as little as $1. Want to own Apple, Google, and Tesla? Buy $10 worth of each. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Cash App make this simple. This is perfect for beginners. You can test the waters, learn how the market works, and build confidence without risking serious money. But here's the mistake that stops most people. Step 7. Start now, learn as you go. Analysis paralysis kills more investment dreams than market crashes. You don't need to become a financial expert before you start. Read one good book like The Simple Path to Wealth. Follow trusted finance YouTubers. Listen to podcasts during commutes, but remember, the best education is getting started. You'll learn more from investing $100 for 6 months than from reading 10 books without taking action. Perfect is the enemy of good. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Here's the bottom line. You don't need experience. You just need to take the first step. Your future self is either going to thank you or regret what you do next. Every day you wait is money left on the table. Save this video so you can follow these steps. Share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And if you want more simple wealth building strategies that actually work, hit that subscribe button. Next week, I'm revealing the 3 investing mistakes that cost beginners thousands and how to avoid them completely. The hardest part is starting. Everything else is just patience and consistency. Your wealthy future begins with your next decision.